Hey guys, here it is, the bike. I wanted to show it to you. That's that Lifan KP Mini 150 that I traded the Skydio for. So I did have to get a new battery for it. No big deal. I expected that kind of stuff. So anyway, there it is. It's got 1,800 miles on it. We'll fire it up here in a minute. But this thing had more mud. They used it for a pit bike, okay? So all this dude did was drive it around in the mud, okay? You know, back and forth. His son, the guy's name was Nick, but his son, I guess, raced a motocross. So it was always over there at the track going through the mud. I've got the vast majority of the mud off of it, but man, this thing, I've never seen something caked with so much mud in my life. But it runs like a dream, man. I still got to do a little work on the front tire there. You see that? So, yeah. So I'm getting it. Let me get the new battery in, and I do have to get some reflectors. They had taken the reflectors off the side to get them screw-on reflectors. I got to get 2 of those. Turn signals are working. I mean, everything works on it. It's just that he removed the reflectors. I mean, he might not even done. Maybe the guy before did. Who knows? But yeah, let's get the battery in there, and I'm going to fire it up. All right, guys, I got the battery in. Yay! Let's turn on the, let you see the dash. There's the mileage, 1823. Took me a minute to get it started. Had started for a week or whatever. There's the back. It sounds really sweet. Real nice. But anyway, so I've got a lot of cleaning on this thing to do. Trust me, it's extremely dirty. But I just wanted you guys to see this thing. I have to check the oil, and well, not check it. I'm going to change the oil. And on this bike, the oil, it doesn't have a dipstick. It has a sight glass. It's either right here or on the other side. I think it was on that other side there. But anyway, where you put the oil, the little knob right there, it doesn't have that little post on it for the dipstick. You have to stand it up and look through the sight glass. So, you know, that's the way that goes. Nice. Real nice. I'm real happy with this thing. Now, it looks like the tank, I tried cleaning it up. It's clean. I took these stickers off of here. I didn't like them. But anyway, so it's just got some sun damage to it. I don't think I'm going to be able to fix it. It would have to probably be painted, which, you know, it's just a beaten around bike, so I doubt if I'm going to do anything like that. So, but yeah, it's got some real nice brakes on it. I got to tighten the chain, which is real easy to do on this thing. So, all right, guys, I just wanted you to see the bike. So we got the Navi still. We're still sporting the Bergman, and now I got this thing to beat around on. So, all right, guys, I'll talk to you later.